Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Green color, white color, red color, blue color, black color, yellow color. So kids, now we coloring numbers. So kids, now we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. So now we use green color. Now we draw the number of 1. Kids, the next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. And now we use white color. So kids, now we draw the number of 2. T-W-O, 2. Kids, now we draw 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. And now we use red color. Now we draw the number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. The number of 4. Kids, the next one is 5. Kids, now we use blue color and draw 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, the next one is 6. So kids, now we use yellow color and draw 6. S-I-X, 6. So kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.
What is